Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. How many employees does Quickbase have? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about why this question is important. Quickbase is a cloud-based low-code platform that helps businesses build and customize applications. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate a wide variety of tasks, from tracking sales leads to managing inventory. Knowing how many employees Quickbase has can give you a good idea of the company's size and scale. It can also tell you something about the company's culture and values. For example, if Quickbase has a large number of employees, it may be a more bureaucratic company. If it has a small number of employees, it may be a more nimble and agile company. So, how many employees does Quickbase have? As of September 2024, Quickbase has over 500 employees. This is a significant increase from the company's previous employee count of 400 in 2023. Quickbase employees are located all over the world, including in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. The company is headquartered in Andover, Massachusetts. Quickbase employees come from a variety of backgrounds, including engineering, sales, marketing, and customer support. The company is committed to creating a diverse and inclusive workplace. Quickbase growth. Quickbase has experienced significant growth in recent years. The company has doubled its employee count in the past 2 years. This growth is due in part to the increasing demand for low-code platforms. Quickbase is also investing in its product development. The company recently released a new version of its platform that includes a number of new features and enhancements. Quickbase culture. Quickbase is a company that is committed to its employees. The company offers a number of benefits to its employees, including health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, and a 401k plan. Quickbase also has a strong culture of innovation. The company encourages its employees to come up with new ideas and to take risks. Quickbase values. Quickbase is guided by a set of core values, including customer satisfaction, innovation, teamwork, integrity, respect. These values are reflected in everything that Quickbase does, from its products to its people. Quickbase is a growing company with a strong culture and a bright future. If you're looking for a company that is committed to innovation and making a difference, Quickbase is a great place to work. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Quickbase, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about low-code development.